Now let us study phase 2 October Revolution, or it is also known as Bloodless Revolution. Now Tsar had abdicated himself, okay, on 2nd March 1917. Now Russian Empire was left without any king. So someone should be there to take over the charge. Okay, so what happened? Duma took power and formed a provisional government under Kerensky. Kerensky, Menshevik's leader. Okay, so under his leadership, Duma, which was formed by Tsar himself after his abdication, this Duma came into form and they formed provisional government under the leadership of Kerensky. So what happened? They held no elections. Elections were not held by this government, this provisional government, and they did not withdraw from World War I. What was the demand of the workers and soldiers in phase 1? They demanded that Russia should withdraw from World War I. Russia neither withdrew from World War I, and nor the elections were held. Re-elections were held. Those same members were there in the government. So Bolsheviks, they started demanding immediate reforms and withdrawal from World War I under the leadership of Leon Trotsky. Leon Trotsky was leading Bolsheviks at that time because Vladimir Lenin was exiled by Tsar Nicholas II. In the rule of Tsar Nicholas II, Vladimir Lenin was exiled. He was not allowed to enter into the Russian Empire. So Bolsheviks was led by Leon Trotsky. Under his leadership, Bolsheviks, they started demanding reforms and withdrawal from World War I. So government banned Bolsheviks and arrested their leaders. What this provisional government did is started arresting those leaders who were protesting and demanding. So Lenin returned from exile. Now Lenin had returned from exile because Tsar was not there to rule the Russian Empire. So who will stop Lenin to come? So Lenin, he returned from exile and he played a major role in the bloodless revolution. He made 3 demands. They were known as April Thesis. What were his 3 demands? These demands were known as April Thesis. War should be brought to an end. Land should be transferred to the peasants and banks should be nationalized. So after this, the Bolshevik party renamed themselves as CPR, means Communist Party of Russia. CPR, Bolshevik CPR. The Bolsheviks had massive support from Soviet. Who were these Soviet? Workers and peasants. They were known as Soviet at that time, and they supported Bolshevik party. So Lenin declared himself as the dictator of the proletariats, okay, workers. With their help, CPR successfully carried out a bloodless revolution. What CPR did? It carried out bloodless revolution with the support of the Soviet. How did the bloodless revolution happen? So on the night of 24th of October 1917, what Lenin did, he ordered the Red Guards, the soldiers,